Alright, so it's been a couple years and we've been waiting for a new Chromecast with Google TV, but looks like Google is on the verge of releasing something that's going to compete with the likes of the Nvidia Shield TV and whatever powerful streaming devices that's out there. So we're going to jump right into the details. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So as I said in the intro, the Chromecast with Google TV has been out for a couple years now. We've been waiting for an update. We think it's long overdue, and we've been getting teasers for a couple months, it seemed like. None of them looking as realistic as this one. So read a little bit from 9 to 5 Google. I'm gonna leave the link to the full article in the description. Title of this one is "The Google TV Streamer Set-Top Box is What Comes After Chromecast." Let's take a look at what it looks like just as far as what this picture is showing. So first, looks more of a set-top box, something that can sit on top of your entertainment system, that will sit top of your desk, look real good, can be featured, so something that you want to show off, looks real sleek. So back in April, we revealed that Google is working on a sequel to the Chromecast with Google TV 4K from 2020. 9 to 5 Google can now report that this upcoming device will be a Google streamer. Google is ditching the compact dongle form factor that plugs into your television and remains out of sight. As seen in the images shared with 9 to 5 Google, Google is aiming for a set-top/tabletop design that has a slanted, pill-shaped surface, and it's rather wide compared to the other streaming boxes and unclear if it serves any functional purpose. For example, this would be great for ultra wideband powered tap-to-cast that was announced for Pixel tablets earlier this year. So this is joining the pill-shaped base with the entire thing looking like a miniature Pixel tablet charging speaker dock. 2 cables, presumably power and HDMI, protrude from the back. Overall, it should have a minimal height presence underneath your television. I originally said this might have a Ethernet, but I seem to forget that it does need to transfer the video signal. However, I can't see Google coming out with something this substantial without having it use or have an Ethernet port, but we'll see when it comes out. So meanwhile, the remote looks similar but is longer. After the D-pad, you have the back and the home buttons on the first row. The voice input is no longer Google Assistant branded, with a generic microphone used instead in a sign of the times. It has a raised bump since the splash of the color is used for the home key. All right, so talking about the navigation, talking about the generic microphone with a raised bump right there. All right, so the volume rocker has been moved to the face of the remote instead of the right edge, while now you get a mute button as well. Shortcuts for YouTube, Netflix, as well as a power and magic/star shortcut round things out. So with a drastically different design, we also get a new name. The Google TV streamer keeps the Google TV branded, but drops Chromecast in a surprising turn for the legacy moniker. It remains to be seen whether the company will sell the Chromecast with Google TV HD, though it does follow Google Chromecast replacing the Chromecast built-in branded earlier this year. All right, so there's a bigger, larger picture of what it looks like. Again, I can't imagine them releasing this without Ethernet port. I do imagine a huge bump in the specifications. Possibly a couple USB ports on here in the back. Remote's gonna be a little bit larger, but we're gonna see, and hopefully this will be released real soon. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is a huge development. We expected another dongle, but look like Google is stepping it up a notch and giving us something more substantial. So as always, when this is released, I'll go ahead and grab it, review it for you. If you have any questions, comments, drop it in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.